We are rolling. Hey family, got another exciting juice for you. This juice is packed with vitamin C. What do we have here? 7 oranges, 3, 6, 9 key limes. Now you could use 2 lemons or 2 limes, normal size, if you don't want to use the key limes. They're hard to find out here, the bigger ones. So I got to deal with the small ones, but it's all good. And I peeled everything. Then I have in here, I opened up 7 passion fruit. Now, if you don't have passion fruit, you could also use ruby red grapefruit. It is delicious. I'm not using it in this one because I haven't been able to find them here yet. So, but that's passion fruit. It kind of mimics the taste of citrus a little. So I thought it might be a good substitute. And so I also have some turmeric, pretty decent handful of turmeric, and ginger, a nice sized piece of ginger. All right, so let's get this bad boy rolling. Pour this right in there. Ginger in there. Right. And there you have it. This bright, nice citrus vitamin C packed drink is perfect for preventing sickness, and it helps to eat away belly fat. All right, so there's another one for you. Probably gonna make another serving of this just to put some more in here, but this is what you're left with. Vibrant colors. That turmeric is an inflammatory, and I'm sorry, an anti-inflammatory. The turmeric is very, very good for the body. The ginger, definitely good. Everything in here is just awesome for the body, okay? I just wanted to make this a short video, so I don't want to keep you too long. But really quickly, it's that easy to make a glass full, a pitcher full. Well, this is not a pitcher full. You would have to use more, but this is a good amount to just scoff down real quick to prevent sickness, to treat sickness, and also just to quench your thirst. It's a delicious drink, so try it. Peace, love, and light. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Over and out.